that again, Sheikh Asif for the long. Asif. Okay, sorry, Asif. Asif means sorry. Okay. Asif for the long question earlier. How do you explain to non-Muslims and Muslims, even if calamities such as COVID have a scientific understanding to them, they will still come from Allah? Believe in al-Qadr. You see, the whole thing is in the foundation, Brother Muhammad, of the belief in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If a person doesn't believe in Allah, you see, this subject is related to al-Qadr, that listen, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knew it, wrote it, willed it, created it. How He created it, He caused the means for it to happen. Some people eating some monkeys and some dogs, and there is a scientific way, but Allah caused it to happen. All right?